Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
See this, the climate impact. Europe is warming 2 times faster than the rest of the planet. So this is the news. You see this, the extensive droughts due to excess heat, reduced rainfall and the drying up of major rivers such as the Rhine. The Alps suffering the worst loss of ice thickness at 34 meters. So this is the very warming. The Europe is warming 2 times faster than the planet warms. So these are the indications that we can see over on the European countries. Now look at here, the Mediterranean Sea, Black Sea, Baltic Sea, Southern Arctic Ocean were also 3 to 4 times warming than the global average. So this is the problem which is over there, climatic impact over there in that region. Let's see this Rhine River. You see this, the Rhine River begins in the Swiss canton of the Graubünden in the southeast Swiss Alps. So it originate, the Rhine River originate from the Swiss. You see this, and it goes like this, and it has the mouth on North Sea. Look at here. So when seeing this Rhine River, it forms part of the Swiss Liechtenstein, Swiss Austrian and Swiss German borders. It covers all these kind of borders. After that, the Rhine defines much of the Franco-German border, after which it flows in a mostly northerly direction through the German Rhineland. There is a land which is called as Rhineland in Germany, and finally in Germany the Rhine turns into a predominant westerly direction and flows into the Netherlands, where it eventually empties into the North Sea. It has the mouth in the North Sea. You see this, it has the mouth in the North Sea. When it, after it crossing over all the German, this is the Rhineland, and it crosses over and it takes, this is the Rhineland, and it takes west and it goes to the Netherlands, then it has the mouth with the North Sea. You see this, the 6 European countries which are bordering this river: Germany, France, Swiss, Liechtenstein, Austria and Netherlands. So these are the 6 countries the river is flowing. Now look at the Alps mountain. You see this, the Alps are the highest and most extensive mountain range that is entirely in Europe, stretching approximately 1200 kilometers across 8 alpine countries. So you see, the 8 countries which that it stretches, the Alps mountain stretches, they are called as alpine countries. Let's see this, what are the 8 countries? Look at here: Monaco, France, Switzerland, Italy, Liechtenstein, Germany, Slovenia and Austria. So these are the countries, 8 countries where this Alps mountain stretches. You see, the Alps mountain which is formed because of the tectonic plate movement. We spoke it in the class already. When the 2 plates which are converging, a plate will subtected and a plate will fold. So this is one of the fold mountain. You might have asked me, sir, what are the 2 plates that collide with each other on the formation of the Alps mean? That is Eurasian plate and African plate. These are the 2 plates collided, and the mountain that is called as Alps mountain which got emerged. And you see this Mont Blanc spans the French-Italian border, and it has the height of 4,809 meters, is the highest mountain in the Alps. So when we are seeing that Himalayan mountain, we have a peak that is called as Mount Everest. No, same, just like the Alps mountain will have a peak that is called as Mont Blanc. The Alpine region area contains 128 peaks higher than 4,000 meters. This is not only peak, it has 128 peaks. I think this much of peak which is not there in that Himalayan ranges. We have the peak, but 128 stretch of the peaks that is higher than 4000 meter, which is there only on the Alps. The Winter Olympic Games have been hosted in the Swiss, French, Italy, Austrian and German Alps. So the Alps countries, they are hosting that Winter Olympic Games. Now look at to the Mediterranean Sea. You see, you know that the Mediterranean Sea is between the continent of Eurasia and Africa, that is Europe and Africa, right up. So if you see this, it connects to the Atlantic via, there is a strait which is there, the strait which is called as Gibraltar. So this strait, that there is a narrow strait, this connects Atlantic Ocean with the Mediterranean Sea. You see this, the strait is called as Strait of Gibraltar. But you see this, in the books we can say the narrow strait, it is a water body, small water body which connects to two large water bodies. One is called as Atlantic Ocean and other one is called as the Mediterranean Sea. But you see, it separates two continents also, European continent and also this African continent. You see this, the Strait of Gibraltar separates the Iberian Peninsula in Europe from Morocco in Africa. It is only of 14 kilometer wide. This is that place, that European Peninsula, which got to be separated. So European continent and also the Spain and as well as the Morocco, African country, which is separated by this kind of strait. The Mediterranean Sea encompasses a vast number of islands. Some of them are volcanic islands. You see this, the one of the two largest island, both in area and also in population, that is called as Sicily and Sardinia. These are the two largest islands, both which is in area and as well as the population. Now let's see the Black Sea. You see, we know that the Black Sea on the European country, that is a continent, and this is the major problem right now between the Russia and Ukraine, because Ukraine is located near to this Black Sea. Now let's see this, the Black Sea which is bounded by these countries: Turkey, Bulgaria, Romania, Ukraine, Russia and Georgia. So these are the countries which this Black Sea is bounded with. And the Black Sea is supplied by many of the major rivers: Danube River, Dnieper River, Don River. So these are some rivers which are flowing and it has the mouth on the Black Sea. Now let's see this Baltic Sea. You see, Mediterranean Sea, this is Black Sea, and this one is the Baltic Sea, right? Now the Baltic Sea has bounded some of the bordering countries of Denmark, Estonia, Finland, Germany, Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, Russia, Sweden. So these are the countries which has bounded